Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this window bird feeder by Leo's Paw. It comes in the bubble wrap like this, so it is very secure. The packaging is like this. And then let me see, you open it this way. Comes bubble wrapped like this. And then inside, it comes with the suction cups, 4 of these.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
This is where the bird can stand, and this is the bottom part where you put the bird seeds. And it also has these peelable thing right here they can peel off to make it transparent. So on the back, this is where you attach the suction cups like this. You stick it in and then put it up. For this one, you just slide it in like this. And then this is where you put the bird seed. And then on the bottom right here, you can peel this off to make it more transparent, and that's the same for the backing right here. And then you put the suction cups on all 4 sides like that. So yeah.